Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start our session with a prayer. Okay? So, children, join your hands and repeat the prayer along with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo, Maheshwara. गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Very good, children. Once again repeat the prayer, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo महेश्वरा. गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Very good, children. So, children, let's start with the literacy subject. Okay? So, in your literacy subject, in your last lecture, which alphabet you all have learned? Alphabet N, right? हमने alphabet N किया था. So now tell me which alphabet comes after N? O, right? So today we will learn how to write uppercase and lowercase alphabet O in your literacy skill sheet book. Okay? So children, first I will show you how to write uppercase and lowercase alphabet O in this blank sheet. Okay? So children, how you will write capital O, that is uppercase O? Just you have to draw one circle in this way. Okay? Using the patterns, what I will say? First you have to draw one curve towards right. फिर इसी curve को continue करना है curve towards left. Okay? So this is your uppercase, that is capital alphabet O. Now how will you write small letter, lowercase letter O? In the same way, but वो छोटा size होगा. I will show you, I will tell you about the lines that you have to follow. Okay? In this way. This is your capital, this is your small, that is lowercase letter O. Okay? Now I will show you in the literacy skill sheet book how you have to practice. So children, this is your literacy skill sheet book. In this book we are going to practice uppercase and lowercase letter O. So children, for practicing letter O, you have to take out page number 88. Okay? So on this page number 88, what is given? Trace the letter O with pencil and say it aloud. This is uppercase, capital alphabet O. This is lowercase, small letter O. O for owl. O for owl. Okay? So first over here, for the first line we will write uppercase, that is capital O, and the second line we will write lowercase, that is small letter O. How will you write? You have to start from the red line. आपको एक curve towards right बनाना है. Then continue this curve towards left. फिर से red line को touch करना है. Okay? For uppercase capital आपको red line से start करना है in this way. Okay? Uppercase, that is capital letter O. Understood? In this way. ओके एंड फॉर स्मॉल, that is लोअर केस, आपको सिर्फ ये ब्लू लाइन, दो ब्लू लाइन में ही आपको ओ लिखना है. इन दिस वे, दिस इज योर लोअर केस, that is स्मॉल लेटर ओ. ओके? See in this way. ओ जो रेड लाइन से स्टार्ट होता है और बॉटम ब्लू लाइन पे खत्म होता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कैपिटल अपर केस लेटर ओ। और जो ब्लू लाइन में ही हम लिखते हैं इसे बोलते हैं स्मॉल, दैट इज लोअर केस लेटर ओ। अंडरस्टूड? सो इन दिस वे you have to practice these two lines writing the letter O. Then what is given over here? Paste the stickers of the thing starting with letter O. बैक साइड ऑफ द बुक में आपको O से स्टार्ट होने, O फॉर ऑनियन, यहाँ पे ऑनियन का स्टिकर पेस्ट करना है। O फॉर ऑक्टोपस, ऑक्टोपस का स्टिकर यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है। फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल गेट द स्टिकर्स? फ्रॉम द बैक साइड ऑफ द बुक। ओके, यू हैव टू टेक द स्टिकर्स फ्रॉम देयर एंड यू हैव टू पेस्ट इट ओवर हियर। ओके, so children, in this way you have to paste these stickers, okay, of the thing starting with letter O. Okay, O for onion, O for octopus, O for orange. Okay children, in this way, in page number 88 you will practice writing the alphabet O and then you will paste the stickers. Okay, then come to the next page, page number 89. So children, on this page you have to read the words starting with the letter O. Okay, read the given words aloud. O से start होने वाले words हम इस page में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, O for owl, O for ostrich, O for octopus. See, octopus is teaching you all. O for octopus. O for onions, O for ox. इस एनिमल का क्या नाम है? ऑक्स. O फॉर ऑरेंज, O फॉर ऑरेंज. वन मोर टाइम रीड द वर्ड्स. O फॉर ऑस्ट्रिच, O फॉर आउल, O फॉर ऑक्टोपस, O फॉर ऑनियंस, O फॉर ऑक्स and O for orange. Okay, so children, this is your page number 89 on which you will practice reading the words. Okay, you have to know how to read the words. Okay, then after this turn to your next page. This is your page number 9090. I know you all know, right, what you have to do here? Write the first letter of the following in capital in blue boxes and in small in pink boxes. जो ब्लू बॉक्सेस में है यहाँ पे आपको कैपिटल O लिखना है और जो पिंक बॉक्सेस में है यहाँ पे आपको स्मॉल O लिखना है, लोअर केस O, राइट? सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. So children, in this way, page number 90, you can see that I have written capital O, that is uppercase O in these blue boxes, and small O, that is lowercase O in this pink boxes. So everyone read the words along with me. O for owl. Okay, O for ostrich, O for ox, O for orange, O for onion, and O for octopus. Okay, so this is your page number 90 in which you will practice writing the uppercase and lowercase O, and even you will practice reading the words starting with the letter O. Okay, then come to the next page for alphabet O. So children, this is your next page, right? 91. So on this page, what you have to do? You have to match the objects with its letter. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए हैं और यहाँ पे लेटर्स दिया है. So tell me, what is the name of this object? Iron. कौन से लेटर से शुरू होता है? I, right? I for iron. तो आपको ये iron को I से मैच करना है. Okay? Then what is this? Mat. From which letter does the word starts? Mat. M. M for mat. Then you have to match this mat to the letter M. What is this? Onion. O for onions, right? Then you have to match this O with the onions. Okay? Then what is this? Necklace. N for necklace. You have to match this necklace with the letter N. Kettle. K for kettle. You have to match this letter with the kettle. What is this? Jug. कौन से अल्फाबेट से स्टार्ट होता है? जग, J. Then you have to match this jug with the letter J. Okay. And then what is the last object? Which flower is this? Lotus. L. L for lotus. Then you have to match this lotus with the letter L. Okay. In this way you have to match the objects with its letter in this page number 91. Understood, children? So children, after your page number 91, turn to this next page, page number 92. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? You have to match the capital letter with its small letter. यहाँ पे देख रहे हो आप बॉक्स, पहले आप कैपिटल लेटर को देखोगे. ओके, you have to see the capital letter and then you have to find it out कि इसके स्मॉल लेटर कहाँ है, एंड देन यू हैव टू मैच. ओके, सो सी यू ऑल कैन सी दैट मैंने जो उसका कैपिटल एच है स्मॉल एच से मैच किया है, ई ई. इन दिस वे यू विल फर्स्ट सी ओनली द कैपिटल लेटर एंड देन यू विल फाइंड इट आउट कि इसके स्मॉल लेटर कहाँ है, एंड देन यू विल मैच. ओके, यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर्स दिए हैं एंड यहाँ पे कैपिटल लेटर्स दिए हैं, एंड बीच में ये जो दो है ये स्मॉल लेटर्स है, लोअर केस. फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट वेयर आर द लोअर केस एंड देन you will match. Okay, in this page number 92. Understood, children? So today you will practice till page number 92. So children, I hope you all understood which all pages you have to practice today after practicing letter O. Yes, so now after watching this video, take out your book and start practicing. Okay, thank you, bye bye.